What's up, bookies? Today we have another horror game. It's called Weekend Renters. Once again, I don't know what the game is about. I download it, I have it in my PC, and I play. That's all we got. Guys, don't forget to please check my Twitch. Oops. Please don't forget to check my Twitch channel. I would appreciate you very much if you do that. With further ado, let's go and let's finish this stupid game. With further ado, let's go and let's finish the game. Ooh, let's see. What surprises like Grandpa? My grandpa loved spending time in his cabin. It was his quiet escape from the world. One evening, he slipped and fell down the stairs. His neck broke instantly. They said he didn't suffer. It was a tragic accident. After that, the cabin sat empty for a while. When I inherited, I didn't have much use for it, so I decided to rent it out, mostly on weekends. Every Monday, I drive out there to clean up and prepare for the next guest. It's become part of my routine. Alright, making some money. Interact, Sprint, and Zoom. A young family stayed here last weekend. They called to say the cabin was amazing. Hopefully they didn't read. I'm sorry, guys. You know how it goes. I'm a slow reader. I'm a slow at everything in life. Someone's art project, part of the scenery now. Alright, I mean, hey, I don't mind. Oh, look at the little flower. Alright. Oh, wow, this is no privacy at all. No privacy at all. I would hate to have this door at my own house. No cap. No privacy. First things first, quick look around. Put some stained glass. Yeah, put some stained glass. That would look so pretty. Close the door. Look around. Ooh, what's this? Places worth visiting. Might give guests ideas for day trips. Yes, that's really nice. That's very inclusive. Can I open the fridge? Nope. There we go. There we go. I'm fat. That's a fact. And first thing I think is opening the fridge. Hey. It's the way it is. Can I fix the curtain? Can't. Well, nice bathroom, not gonna lie. Better than the places I've been checking to buy a house from. They said on the call that their kid wrote something weird on the wall and couldn't clean it off. Hopefully, it's nothing big. Trash. Oh, we have tasks. Take out the trash, clean up the mess, change the beddings. Alright, open the door. What a weird kid. You will die soon. Oy. No thank you. No thank you. Change the bed sheets. Ah, fresh. Nice. Good stuff. Is this one, no, they didn't use this one. Clean up the mess. So we're missing, something. We're missing something. Oh, is this a cow? Oh no, it's a dog. Oh my god. Is this a cow? No, it's another dog. Doggies! The dev is a dog person. Everyone knows cats are better. So we need to clean a mess. Is the mess here with us? First things first, explore. I'm exploring. I don't see anything. They left some shampoo bottles. I remember when I worked in a hotel. Oh, this is a mess. I worked in a hotel and yeah, it was pretty cool when people left things. I just snooped around. Sometimes they leave. Let's get trash to the dumpster outside. Sometimes it's just left like full shampoo bottles and stuff like that. I'm like, don't mind me. There we go. Tasks complete. Easy. I never really imagined myself doing this every week. Coming out here alone, making beds, taking out the trash, but somehow it's stuck. And now it almost feels normal. Well, you're overthinking it now, buddy. It's a cool little side job. I mean, take the trash, clean up the mess, change the bedding. Some older guy stayed here for 3 days. Let's see what we're walking into. Ooh. No privacy doors again. Close that. Thank you. Oh my, this is nasty. Shit. That's not something you just forget to clean. Exactly. That's gnarly. That's a threat. I can't speak. You guys understand what I'm trying to say? Oh, what? So, why he asked that you have VSP player looking at that cover? Thank God I don't. Plumber and lonely wife. Oh my God, what the fuck is wrong with this little dude? A beer? Pizza? What a trashy ass person. Like my editing program just decided to scare us. What an odd little fella. What an odd little fella. Okay, let's go upstairs. We need to change the bed. Those doors are creepy. I don't think there's lubricant spray in the kitchen. That should help the noises. First of all, why is it moving on its own? There's no window open. Excuse me. And we don't find this weird? What? Why would he live? I don't know, man. I don't know. Too many questions, little answers. Alright, this is the thing, right? What if they are hidden? Fix squeaky door. Don't I have to go on the kitchen to find the spray? To fix it? Wasn't that what he said? Oh shit. I'm tall, huh? Just hit my head on the... I need to find the spray. Buddy, I was doing that. Maybe here? Maybe inside the cabinet? I don't know, why would you keep this in you know. Maybe, oh, here? There we go. Got it, guys. Why would you keep this on the kitchen? Well, it's better than the bathroom, isn't it? But still. Everything is done. Time to go home. This play gives me weird feelings today. Anyways, it's done. Time to leave. Enjoy your stay. You know why, lady? Because you need to bring a fucking Glock with you. Yes. If not a Glock, you need to bring like a knife. But one of those that they can't take it from you. Maybe the ones that have like the knuckles in it, so you can punch it. I do not condone violence, but if you are alone in the middle of nowhere and you feel a woman, surprise, surprise, protect yourselves, queens. Most of the time, cleaning the cabin is pretty uneventful. Sometimes people leave a mess, sometimes they don't, alright? There have been a few times when things got disturbing. Like the weekend I found a dark stain under the bed. It looked like blood, but the guests claim it was just spilled juice. Another time, the bathroom mirror has been turned to face the wall. No explanation, I asked, of course, always the same answer. That wasn't us, no idea. We didn't even notice. Over time, I stopped making a big deal out of these things. As long as nothing broken or messy or missing, I just let it go. All I heard is you have someone living inside of your walls. I have a group of 3 teenagers, guys, spend the weekend on there, I hope, blah, blah, blah. All I hear is you rented during the weekends and during the week someone lives here. All I've heard is I have someone living inside of the walls. Well, yeah. Excuse me. Oh my god. Oh no, this is bad. You gotta be kidding me. Oh shit. Fix up my chairs. Stupid bastards. Oh my god. See, I hope you guys got diarrhea from that pizza. Not gonna lie. Look at they made a party. They had a party at our home. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Pizza over here. Oh my lord. That's wild. You're wilding, guys. Pizza on the bathtub? Of course, spill crap on a carpet like this. I need to clean it. La 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 la. Clean, 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 clean. Cleaned? Oh lord. Oh lord, they drank a lot of beer. Okay, first let me just continue checking the house. Maybe I should just set it on fire and build a new cabin. It would probably be faster. I don't know. Even... Oh! Damn it, who the heck are you? I could ask the same thing. Calm down, I'm the owner of the cabin. What you mean? Excuse me. My head spawning. You're the owner or something. That's right. This is my cabin. My head. I didn't mean to freak you out. We had too many way too much. How many people were here? Maybe like 20. Oh wow, that explains a lot. Where's everyone? Looks like you're alone here. Great. Just let me here. They let me here like an idiot. Yeah, because you're a fucking idiot. I'm thirsty as hell. I left my water in the next room. Can you grab it for me? Sure. Excuse me. Let's find his bottle. I'm not grabbing his water bottle. He needs to get out of my cabin. He's not paying extra for spending the Hey. Excuse me. You're not paying extra. He was just here. Where did he go? Oh my god. Guys, I'm telling you. We have someone occupying our place. Oh my god, so many beds. Jesus. They did everything. They touched everything. Oh lord. 20 people? How many paid for being here? Probably just 2, right? And they ended up making a party. Put the chairs back up. Straighten the painting. Clean up the mess. We're missing a mess. Let's see. It's not over here. This place is clean. Let's close the door. Excuse me. This place is clean. Alright. Straighten up a painting. This place looks clean, right? Doggy still dogging. Oh, this one. There we go. We're missing this chair and this beer. Yippee. Now let's take off the trash. I don't know where the dude is, but yeah. I'm guessing this is the guy that has been living here. He crashed out the party of the teenagers. And now he got hangover and he forgot to leave because we came to clean the house. There's nothing worse than a drunk teenager in the cabin. Always a mess. That guy who just disappeared called me the next day. He apologized for the mess and explained that he was so embarrassed he just ran off. It didn't bother me. At least I didn't have to deal with kicking him out. True. He's like, you know, he developed self-consciousness, and she was like, a young couple rented a place this weekend. Let's hope things go smoothly today. So yeah, I think like he was like, all right, I messed up. I'm gonna leave. Props to you. Why the fuck is my door open? Why is my door wide open? All right, where are they? Hope they're packing up. What? They're not supposed to be here. When I come here, they need to leave. Carpet's been moved. No way. This was... Oh, uh-oh. How do I go in? What the fuck? Whoa, old furniture. Grandpa thought someone had stolen his stuff. It looks like someone was staying in here. Bro, this is disturbing. What the fuck? What the hell am I looking at? What happened here? Oh lord. Guys? Thank god someone's here. Oh my god. What is this? Please help me. I'm trapped. What happened? How did you get here? Where's Laura? Did he hurt her? Please tell me she's okay. Who? My wife. She came here for the weekend. What happened? The old man. He's dangerous. He locked me down here. God, I think he killed her. Please get these boards off. We need to get out of here. Remove boards. I need to find a hammer. You need to find a hammer. You need to find Jesus. Wait, this can't be real. I need to find a hammer. Oh, a hammer. It's hammer time, guys. Bro, let's go! Thank god you're here. I thought I wouldn't make. Come on, let's get out of here. Yeah, let's go. I can't. I'm too weak to move. Then you die. Please get help. Find someone. I'm not going anywhere like this. I'll go get help. I'll be back, promise. I'm not going to be back. I'm gonna go to my car. You weirdo! Guys! A fucking weirdo! No. No, 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 no. We're back at the beginning? Always thought Grandpa death was just a tragic accident. Oh no. The story made sense at the time. No one asked questions. But that wasn't true. There was someone down there. Someone who had been living under the cabin for years, hiding, watching. He killed my grandpa and a few of my renters too. I should have stayed away. I should have never opened that door. Thank you for playing, Weekend Renters. I'm very grateful. Oh my god, this is actually cool. This is really cool. Another slay, guys. Another game. This was a fun little game, not gonna lie. Oof. I told you guys someone was living there. I'm the voice of reason over here. Hey guys, if you liked it, please drop a like, subscribe, comment, and if you don't mind, join us on Twitch. We're always there except on Mondays. That's my day off. And let's have fun together. See you next time. Bye!